Attention, léger message d'annonce avant de commencer la vidéo, sachez que la vidéo que vous allez voir est un replay d'un live qu'on a fait jeudi dernier sur le jeu Dispatch. C'est un let's play, c'est-à-dire que c'est la vidéo, la captation directe de mon live Twitch. Vous aurez donc les 4 premiers épisodes qu'on a fait la semaine dernière. Et si vous voulez voir la suite le plus tôt possible, n'hésitez pas à me rejoindre sur Twitch toute la semaine, du lundi au vendredi, matin et après-midi. Et là, je vous souhaite une bonne vidéo et à très vite sur Twitch.
Unexpected things happen every day.
C'est une pub.
Phenomenon! Can SDN help me out with this? It's blocking the driveway.
You can count on
Vous voulez savoir comment conduire votre voiture? Vendez votre voiture.fr.
Let SDN be your rock, so you can rock.
Waouh. Fait la guitare électrique alors que c'est pas branché. Ça risque pas de marcher du coup.
She's definitely not making it to band practice.
Yeah, well, yeah. Wait, what's that?
No, just the commercial. It was weird.
Weird. Yeah, right. Phenomenon man. He's like a rock star. It's I'm joking, cause of the rock and the roll. Cool commercial. I'm a Phenomenon fan, you might say. You could say that.
He's not the best actor, though, which was important for that commercial to be less, weird.
He is the best actor. Well, acting when there's danger.
C'est pas un acteur, c'est tout.
World is a play, then he's still awesome.
Can't argue that.
Oh, God. Okay. Yep, that's not right. That is not right. That is the.
Il est un peu stressé, monsieur.
Okay, let me help you.
Oh no,
with
no, not necessary. I'm
Mais
sure
si on va
I-
t'aider, ça va
so-
aller, t'inquiète pas.
You nervous? Big job interview.
No, I mean yes, but yes is more. My powers make everything wet, moist. Water boy is how they call me, but yes, I am.
Oh non, pas lui, pas encore. Bah écoute. Soit lui il se tape tout seul.
Now that your face is next to a side of my face, I see that I know you, of you. You're Mecha Man. You're dead, I thought.
Just on the inside.
You look small or different in person.
Never meet your heroes, kid.
Oh, wasn't sure you'd show up.
Oh, wow, Blazer, Juan, a real hero.
Oh, sorry, but I need him for something. Follow me.
Oh non, on va passer un entretien d'embauche. Oh non, quel enfer.
Take your clothes off.
What's happening right now?
We don't want too many people knowing you're Mecha Man. A lot of our dispatchers are former heroes, but it's better if you keep your identity a secret. We've had incidents in the past. Here.
Bah oui, enfin c'est normal en vrai. Et c'est pourquoi il se promène en costume. C'est super dangereux. Parce qu'il a pas de pouvoir, donc s'il se fait attaquer, il meurt quoi.
It's gonna be great.
I've never felt silly wearing this.
Until now.
Yeah, I was trying to imply that with the silence.
It worked. Get dressed. I have somebody I need you to meet. Oh, sorry.
Bah oui,
Should I turn around? Or what do you...
Bah peut-être sortir de la pièce,
Should
non,
I
je sais pas.
Close my eyes, maybe? If that makes you more comfortable.
Bon allez, m'en
It's
fiche.
fine, I don't mind.
Oh, yeah, no, it's... it's sure.
Bah je sais, mais...
I mean, don't stare me straight in the eyes or anything, because that would be odd.
Yeah, I'll actually...
Ouais,
yeah, I'm
attendez,
just
je sais pas si j'ai le droit.
gonna- There.
Je fais la gaffe parce que j'ai très peur.
It doesn't look like it, but I am flexing every muscle in
Non,
my
ça va,
body
ça
right
va,
now.
ça va, ça va, ça va, ça va,
Really?
ça va. Et tout à l'heure, on a vu quelque chose qu'il fallait pas voir. Je sais pas même pas si ça va... Je vais pouvoir
I
streamer
wanna say
tranquille. Bon.
again, I'm sorry about last night. I regret the way I conducted
Mais
myself.
t'inquiète pas, c'est
It
pas grave.
was a mistake. A complicated mistake. I can go into the details of those complications with you later.
On était ivres.
Look, we were both a little tipsy, got lost in the moment. You know, it's totally understandable. It was a nice
Ah mais regarde, elle regarde dans le reflet depuis tout à l'heure.
Yeah, I'd like to keep things
Dis donc.
professional.
Right, that's why you
Voyeuse.
brought me to this conference room to strip down in front of you.
Ah, j'ai non, j'ai pris le tarif. Hein. Je suis plein de
Are you
cicatrices, quoi.
serious?
Mais on te dérange pas, toi?
Unlock the conference room. So, you two fuck or what?
Mais
We
enfin,
kissed, but it was very innocent.
Like cheek innocent or tip of your dick innocent?
Okay, stop. First of all, we.
qu'est-ce qu'elle veut, elle?
You kissed me. Second of all, it's none of your freaking business.
Whoa, she cussed. Must have been a good one.
Robert, this is Invisigal. She is part of the.
un visi-meuf.
We take former supervillains, such as herself, and rehabilitate them to re-enter society to use their powers for. Are those my earrings?
Well, they look better on me.
Invisigal, this is Robert. He'll be your team's
On se
dispatcher.
rappelle quand même Cassim transparent alors que lui il se changeait. Hein.
No superpowers. Can't wait.
His identity, all of this, that's staying between us. He's still Mecha Man,
Attendez.
but that can't get out. And if it does.
Ok. Alors attendez les enfants, on va faire ça vite fait. Je ne sais pas où c'est. Ta ta ta. Censure. Censure visuelle. Est-ce que c'est juste l'image qu'on censure ou est-ce qu'il faut censurer aussi la profanité? Alors, je sais pas ce que ça veut dire la profanité exactement. Parce que s'il n'y a pas les jeux de mots avec des gros mots, ça va pas être marrant quoi. Je pense que c'est pas mal comme ça, non? Qu'est-ce que vous en pensez? Éviter de se faire ban Twitch même avant de commencer, ça serait bien. Bon, un coup pendant cela. C'est pas mal, hein, ça me plaît. Hein. Bon, j'espère que je serai meilleur. Ouais. Ouais. Je pense que comme ça devrait être pas mal. Bon, hop. Tac, tac, tac. Attendez, je reviens. Je fais juste ça. Ok, c'est reparti pour un tour. Retour. Hop!
I'll know who it came from.
You think I want to tell people our dispatcher's a fucking loser?
Look,
Faut arrêter de me traiter de loser toutes les 2 minutes. Hein. Ça va être me saouler. Elle m'espionne en plus pour que je me dessape. Là. Ça va pas? Puis la police, moi.
Just maybe, by the end of all of this, helping people is what you do too.
Well, I'm wet. I see why you like him. Look at that trip. What does that look? Best Buy Fight Club? Fucking hot.
We have a weekly ranking list for all the heroes in the company.
And she's at the bottom.
She called herself Invisibitch when she was a villain.
Un
We're
visi.
trying to rebrand her.
Yeah, I thought Invisigal felt kind of corny for her.
Je trouve ça marrant.
The name was my idea. Just get your shirt on, Dad Bod.
Quel bedaine. N'importe quoi, j'ai pas de bedaine, oh. Ah ouais.
We're not the highest profile branch in the network, but we've got what makes the real difference. Great people. Some of them aren't even people, and they're still great.
Mais pourquoi venir en costume de super-héros? C'est pas du tout agréable pour travailler, genre.
Scan does literally everything. Documentation, one of the 3 Ds at SDN. There tends to be a healthy amount of paperwork. I used to call it triple Ds, but I was informed that had a different connotation.
3 Ds?
Dispatching, documentation, diversity is the 3rd. Not in terms of priority, of course. Yep, we're all about diversity. Lana works in the mailroom, from a different galaxy altogether. And then there's Galen, way back there, born with super hearing. He's from... I wanna say-
Florida.
Florida, of course. Florida man over there. Hey, easy on the bath salts.
That was one guy.
Hey, speaking of bath, where is the,
Oh, need a bio break?
excuse me?
Restroom. I mean, it's right over there. Sorry. At work, I tend to get a little
Corny.
corporate, Dick. Meet me in the records room when you're done. If you get lost, look for the door that says records room.
Bruh, I almost went in my pants. Hey, you this Robert people talking about? What's up, brother? My auntie named me Roy, but people call me Roy.
Non, pas de chèque. On est en train de pisser.
Oh, my bad, my bad.
Bah oui,
Ah.
c'est
You
pas
think
très
I was
hygiénique
touching
quand
my
même.
ding-a-ling, huh? 'Cause we stay in the loo, huh?
Kinda part of the process.
No need worry, brother. It's okay.
So roid, like steroid?
Huh? Hell no, brother. No, cuz. Listen. Get two other guys here. They go by the name Roy. So I think it's like, we go scrap, we go ground, I boss you up, and then, you got Roy. You know what I'm saying, bro? That's what I think. Hey, you think that's why they call me Roy? Like I'm on steroids. But they think I'm some kind of a juice head? They think I'm not natty, bro? They think Roy's not natty.
No, I'm just kidding, man. Just making jokes about your name and the shitter.
Whatever. I don't care.
Il est gentil lui.
Yeah, Nokia is probably best. Nice meeting you, Royd, even if it was while we were both holding our dicks.
You one funny bugger. Mecha man.
Ah. Il l'a grillé direct.
Okay, so I was worried about your unwashed hand, but now I'm worried that everyone here knows who I am.
Nah, brother. It's Kapu. Need to know basis and Roy need to know. Other one gonna come pick up your soup or fix them for the SDN.
Ah.
You gonna wash before you do that?
Nah, bro. I never touch nothing. Just touch my pants and underwear only. Even for shake, I just do like this.
Can you show me again? I don't think I got it.
C'est lunaire comme conversation.
Holy shit, who's this freckle-faced fuck? How are you?
That's
Bordel à queue, c'est drôle.
way to greet someone.
Look at this skinny latte prick. Your bones, kid. You here to whip these assholes into shape or what?
That's the idea.
I'm sorry, do I know you?
Why you all tense?
Mais c'est
What?
qui?
It's a hug, not a hand job. Lighten up.
Be that as it may,
C'est
I'm
Einstein?
still confused.
Oh, right, because I'm old as
Tu fais
shit.
tourner des cordes dans le grenier?
This jog your memory?
Trackstar? Holy shit!
Yeah, you fucker. Why are you accepting hugs from old men you don't know?
Ah, c'est son pote alors.
Oh, and hey, they call me Chase around here, so keep it,
Sure, right. Yeah, Chase.
It's been what, 10, 15 years?
Has it really been that long?
Yeah, I reached out to this little pissant when his dad passed. Then he got to ducking me like he owed me money.
I was in a weird place.
I understand, kid. It was tough on all of us, so I can't imagine what you went through.
Yeah, so what's up? You gonna tell me why you look like Black Einstein?
Putain. Voilà.
Sorry,
J'ai pré-shot la
I
blague.
never noticed.
Fucker. It's the power.
Je suis désolée, mais c'est vrai qu'il lui ressemble vachement.
50 times faster than the average person, but I didn't realize until it was too late. And I was aging 50 times faster when I used my powers. Nowadays, I'm moving slower than frozen piss to keep the old ticker from popping on me.
That's a pretty cruel fate, Chase. What kind of awful shit did you do to deserve that?
Right? This is some war criminal level punishment. No, I was just out trying to help people like a fucking chump. This is why I know
Enfin,
karma is
Einstein,
bullshit.
hyper
So I guess
vulgaire.
This means you're the one person I can't complain to about losing my suit.
You better not. I would resurrect and re-kill your fucking father in front of you if it meant being able to use my powers again.
Jesus, Chase.
Wow.
What? Obviously, I'd let Robert have one last "I love you" before I extinguished the light from his eyes.
Was he always like this?
Yes, actually.
We joke, we laugh, we suppress our trauma. All right, enough of this feeling shit. Let's introduce you to your team of losers.
Ah, j'ai une team à moi, c'est ça?
Now,
Okay.
if I'm being honest, I thought and still think we should have canned these tunas months ago.
And you might get your wish. Because if we don't see improvements soon, the whole program.
Ok, c'est des nuls quoi, c'est ça?
No pressure.
Oh!
Sonar here was a Harvard graduate
Who will not shut the fuck up about being a Harvard graduate.
Oh, je
like
l'adore.
all Harvard graduates.
who also orchestrated some of the most effective Silicon Valley investment frauds in US history.
Oh, il est adorable.
Also,
J'adore les
sometimes he
chauves-souris.
transforms into a fucking bat monster that would eat you ass first after he emptied your pension plan.
Oh non! J'ai la torche avec moi! Attends, parce que là ça m'intéresse. Il se transforme en chauve-souris géante, très intelligent, accro à diverses substances illicites, bien sûr. Il a 32 ans comme moi.
Flambe, he
Controls the fire and the flame, and his skin does not burn.
Right, you met him. Didn't you ever run in with him years back?
I did. Yeah.
So you know he's a certifiable dickhead.
On sait que c'est un con, ouais. Alors, 36 ans, mais 93, pyrokinésie, invulnérable au feu, pyropropulsion, donc il vole, j'imagine. Il vient d'Afghanistan, colérique, sans surprise, pyromane, a conçu sa propre tenue. D'accord. Très moulant la tenue, hein.
Invisigal,
Bien sûr.
who you met. Turned herself in a few months ago and entered the program on the condition we didn't ask questions.
That's a little suspicious, no?
Suspicious, really? Of a criminal that turns invisible and doesn't like to answer questions? What tipped you off, Sherlock?
Alors après, je me demande bien comment elle s'est fait prendre quand même, parce qu'elle elle est invisible. Je vois pas comment elle s'est fait choper, quoi. Enfin, là, elle s'est rendue, mais elle aurait pu faire ça toute sa vie. C'est elle qui a volé les bijoux de la couronne. Hein. Rendez les bijoux de la couronne! Ah, je l'aime trop. Batman, mais version réaliste, quoi.
Here we have coupé, which I recently learned is a French ballet term that means to cut, hence the knives.
That's very clever.
Yeah, but it sounds dumb to say, so everybody calls her Coop. She was an assassin for the mob, then went independent.
Arme, arbre kinétique, vol, ubrakinétique, je sais pas ce que ça veut dire. Prescription surhumaine, précision surhumaine, pardon. On sait pas où elle est née. Bio, mystérieuse, mortelle et farouche. Comment je fais pour baisser le... Comme ça. Ah pardon. Agresseur, mais en fait c'est des... Comment dire... C'est des repentis, quoi.
Punch up.
Carnival strongman who made a deal with a sorceress. She gave him the strength of 10 men. His muscles grew, but his body shrunk.
He's got all the charm and brains of a greasy bowling ball.
Je l'aime bien, moi. Je trouve qu'il est classe. Imiter la douleur. C'est un peu Henri Calvin, mais plus petit, quoi. C'est vraiment la même tête, franchement. Irlandais, oui. Ok.
Malevolent.
Waouh.
Terrifying. She's got
Elle vient de
magic
Baldur, elle, hein.
sword, and
Elle vient de Baldur's Gate 3, elle.
rules that allow her to teleport.
Somehow she's still late for every fucking meeting.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure she does it on purpose.
Démoniaque, création de portail. Transfert de blessure. Ok. Possède une queue préhensible. Marraine de sonar. Faites de documentaire criminel. C'est moi. Ok, bah j'ai mes préférés. Hein. Sonar et Malévola. Malévola, elle s'appelle. Mon personnage de Baldur a presque... Enfin, est de cette... Je sais plus comment on appelle ça. Cette race de... Mais je sais plus, mais en tout cas, elle est hyper stylée. J'adore, elle. Hein.
That's Golem. He is a construct.
A construct?
Yeah, bunch of dirt and mud made
La
sentient
tête.
with magic. I think he's lonely.
Ah, c'est Carlache. C'est vrai que ça elle lui ressemble vraiment. D'accord, alors. Morphologique, mimétisme terrestre, guérison régénérative, ok. Grande masse d'argile et de terre. Ouais, il ressemble au méchant dans... Superman, je crois qu'il y a un méchant comme ça, non? Non, c'est peut-être pas mal. Non, attends. Peut-être Batman, plutôt. Ouais, dans Batman, je crois qu'il y en a un comme ça. Aime la poésie basketball. A du mal à passer les portes. Ouais, il est mignon, lui aussi. Gueule d'argile, ouais. C'est Batman, ouais.
Michigan born and raised. The power is weird. She weaponizes light rays or some shit. A lot of this stuff is a guess.
Why does she dress like a pop star?
She's actually super talented.
Ok. Donc elle transforme la lumière en arme. 1,3 million de followers. Très drama. Elle demande constamment en retournant sa caravane. Agression. Ah, femme fume, elle, par contre. Ok, donc elle, c'est une influenceuse, quoi. Une Tiefling, voilà, c'est Tiefling que je cherchais. Bah écoutez, je les adore, moi, tous. Après, il y en a que j'aime pas. Lui, clairement, il me saoule. Mais il y en a deux, là. Même lui, je l'aime bien, en vrai. Lui, il a l'air trop mignon.
Wait,
Okay.
So, the Z team, my team,
Team Z.
their Phoenix program.
That is correct.
Your own motley crew of dangerous fuck-ups.
Moi, je veux
Not
que
looking for
Sonar.
miracles, but
Il est
we'd love
adorable.
one if we could get it.
Mais allez, voilà aussi, sympa.
Can you show him his desk?
Sure.
Vas-y, qu'on aille dans l'open space, mon
What's that
cauchemar.
all squeeze about?
You want one? Here.
Fuck off. This is you. Pretty sparse. but
On se
feel
croirait
free
dans
to
les années
decorate.
80, hein. On dirait vraiment une. C'est une console d'arcade ou de NES ou de je sais pas quoi, parce que ça fait vraiment
This
un espèce de
computer's more
mix
than
entre
look.
des nouvelles générations. Ouais, c'est ça, regarde. C'est un truc d'arcade, quoi.
Wait, so we're doing this? I haven't even met the team yet.
We did the slideshow.
First of all, that wasn't a slideshow.
Look, we like to start slow. Most people don't make it past the first dispatch. And this is better for everybody's safety.
What do you mean, safety?
You'll be fine. And this here is our little slice of the
Bon, là,
South.
c'est là qu'il faut faire. J'essaie d'être
Whenever
plus,
there's a crisis in the area, we get a call, and guess who answers?
plus doué que tout à l'heure, mais je sais pas mes erreurs, donc je sais pas comment est-ce que j'ai mal fait.
Put your headset on and introduce yourself to these pricks.
Hey, team. This is your dispatcher, Robert Robertson. I'm starting my first shift.
Bah oui, c'est le Robert par Robertson. Ah oui, c'est la honte, c'est con.
But can we clear the channel, please? There's a lot of overlapping.
Sonar, il se fout de notre gueule.
I saw him in his underwear.
Who? Roberto's son?
I saw him in his underwear.
Oh, tout le monde se fout de moi.
Oh, but he's got a lot of bruises, which I'm into.
Again, please clear the
Oh,
channel.
I get it, you're evil.
C'est pas très pro.
Shut the fuck up. Let me remind you, these calls are fucking recorded for training fucking purposes. So keep the fucking line clear before we send your stupid fucking asses back to whatever fucking cell we pulled your
Il dit
stupid
beaucoup
fucking
fuck, hein.
asses out of.
Je trouve.
Alright?
Beaucoup trop. Allez, on va essayer d'être malin. Mon fils a coincé son ballon dans un arbre. Vous pouvez envoyer quelqu'un. C'est pas le ballon, c'est le chat, ça. Ne pas faire pleurer l'enfant. Grimper à l'arbre. Faut pas faire peur, hein. Elle, hein. Soit c'est un Visi-Meuf que j'envoie, soit c'est elle. Qui c'est qui grimpe? Mobilité, charisme. Vigueur. Mobilité. Faut mobilité et charisme, je pense, pour que ça marche. Ouais, pas très charismatique, et elle non plus. Il va avoir peur, l'enfant. Et en fait, c'est ça le truc, c'est que... Ouais, je vais envoyer un Visi-Meuf, je pense. Hein.
I'm already going this way. Yeah. Trust me. I can handle this a lot faster on my own.
Ah, ok. Bah va, hein, écoute.
Mr. Vanderstank is requesting a hero.
A besoin
for
d'un
a
héros pour un
very
événement très
important event.
important. Très médiatisé. Ah bah je sais qui c'est que j'ai envoyé.
Certified genius. Literally, he has a certificate.
You aren't a genius if you need a piece of paper that says you're a genius.
You're just jealous. Sky,
C'est sûr que je l'envoie à elle. Hein. Elle a 1 million de followers, je vous rappelle. Hein.
Ooh, this one's gonna be good. I'll take Wednesday.
Tuesday. Dibs on Monday.
What are you guys talking about?
We're taking bets on
Est-ce que ça
which
s'est bien
will win.
passé?
Friday?
Today's Friday.
I know.
Merde.
I don't care, okay?
Oh my god! My Amadeus break shit!
Réparer le billet défectueux. Ah, c'est à moi de faire? Le problème, c'est que j'allais pas envoyer une démon ou... Comment dire, une chauve-souris, il aurait flippé le gosse. Enfin, je crois. Bon, en fait. Après, moi, j'aurais pas flippé parce que j'adore les chauves-souris. Pour du gosse, tu vois.
Fuck yeah.
Attends.
Shit. Fuck
Voilà.
you.
Mais attends, mais c'est pas comme ça qu'il va faire alors? Ok. Pour réparer les chiottes, quoi. Je suis meilleure pour réparer des bidets que pour envoyer des gens finalement. Ah, il veut pas le mec. 2 euros.
And he kicked Flambe's ass. Okay, okay. That little shit did not kick my ass. You did though.
Se battre. Ah, il faut quand même être diplomate, on va mettre. Il y a quelqu'un qui se bat. Bien. Ah, elle se bat bien elle aussi.
We're all going to shut up about it. Yeah? Okay.
Il est diplomate lui? Oh oui, bien, il est super fort. Je vais garder pour plus lui. Bon, je sais pas.
Point for the road? Anyone?
Qui c'est qui m'appelle? Ah. Vol d'un bateau en cours, hein, au club nautique. J'avoue, je sais pas là. Je sais pas.
So what was your read on this Mecha Man guy?
Washed up, drinking alone. A robot guy without his robot, I guess.
So, just a guy?
Hear that, Flambe? You got your ass kicked by just a guy.
All of you. Shut the fuck up.
Ah! Ça a marché.
Flambe, you're off route.
C'est bon.
What's this guy even famous for? Seemed like a loser to me.
Laugh all you want. Someday, my subconscious will live on in a chip, and your subconscious will be dead. Cringe.
Cringe. Voilà. Le musée se fait cambrioler. Ah, rendez les bijoux de la couronne! Je ne sais pas quoi faire, c'est mon premier jour. Ah bah tac, déjà, elle est invisible, c'est pratique.
Fine.
Security here is amateur hour.
Quelqu'un qui aille vite. Vigueur, il faut quelqu'un qui ait quand même de la vigueur, je pense. Ouais, j'envoie le golem. Je sais pas où je vais, mais j'y vais. Ici, Diane Diaz, l'entre-dieu. Aujourd'hui, on parle qui nous emploie des criminels pour nous protéger. Quoi? Ah! Merde. C'est elle que j'aurais dû envoyer, non! Ouais, c'est compliqué, hein. sais pas qui envoyer là. Hein. Il a du charisme, je vais envoyer lui.
That's better. Much better.
C'est parti. C'est encore moi. Aurore m'a demandé de te montrer les ficelles, alors me voilà. Maintenant, on va dans l'onglet amélioration. Ok. Ok.
Use the plus icon next to a stat to spend a skill point. Once you confirm, you can't go back.
Ok. Est-ce que je monte déjà des compétences qu'ils ont déjà ou est-ce que je monte des trucs qu'ils ont pas du tout pour qu'ils le rendent complémentaires? Je sais pas trop. Qu'est-ce que vous en pensez, vous? Est-ce qu'il faut... Au niveau de la stratégie, est-ce qu'il vaut mieux... Alors, si je me dis que si il y a un des héros qui a genre 2 compétences extrêmement développées, il faut que chacun ait une compétence hyper développée, quoi, comme ça. Ou alors on fait le contraire, on monte tout le monde moyen, comme ça on peut envoyer n'importe qui à n'importe quel moment, quoi. Je sais pas trop quelle strat il faut faire. Ouais. Oui, en fait, il faut faire rendre les persos pros dans certains trucs, quoi. Parce que là, c'est le charisme et le combat qui est le plus haut. Ou alors on peut faire les 3. Ce qui fait intelligence, charisme et combat, quoi. C'est quoi le maxi? Bon bah... Je pense que je vais monter le charisme, je pense. Ok. Voilà. On a déjà eu affaire à ces voleurs. Compiler et croiser les autres vols d'œuvres d'art. Les bijoux de la couronne. Localiser des membres connus pour trouver leur planque. Alors... Ah, attendez, parce que là, le problème, c'est que...
Sure?
Non? Parce que ça, c'est une question d'intelligence quand même de faire ça, non? Après, les autres, je les ai pas, quoi. Attendez. Avant de faire ça, je vais attendre qu'ils reviennent. Hein. Merde. Le feu, t'as compris comment... Étouffer les flammes avec son corps. Je me suis trompée. Merde. Il est blessé? C'est la... C'est la S. Je vais mettre... mettre les deux, hein.
Oh, dope. Is that a new gas station?
Dude, why do you care?
Malevola always humors me.
Je me plante vachement, je trouve.
Fuck, that's on me.
Le feu se propage toujours. C'est la merde. Oh là 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 là. Comment je vais faire? C'est une catastrophe. Ah bah oui. C'est grâce à lui ça.
Hey, Bobby. Here, William Vanderstink needs a security detail. Is it cool if I go? I've been wanting to pitch him some stuff I've been working on.
Yeah, pretty sure that's exactly what he's trying to avoid.
Oh! C'est Ratigan. Ceux qu'on la ref. Oh!
For some situations, you can only choose one solution.
Ok. Là, c'est toujours en feu, hein?
We're going to need you to protect Mr. Vanderstank from the Vanderstanker fan club.
Protéger... Son after Van Gogh. Empêcher les fans fervents. Ok. Oh, il est blessé, lui. Je fais de la merde. Ok, l'air classe. Et ça, c'est quoi?
I'm a high-ranking Vanderstanker. It would mean a lot.
Ah ouais, je peux pas faire ça de toute manière. Il est pas dispo là. Ok. Oui, oui, oui. Attendez.
Graceful, but deadly.
Pour les missions à emplacement, gagne plus en combat si elle... Le premier emplacement. Regarde l'autre option. Oui, j'ai regardé, mais le problème c'est que c'est pour rencontrer... Sonar rencontre son idole, mais t'as vu l'état de Sonar? S'il rencontre son idole dans cet état-là, je suis pas sûre, quoi.
Fine, I'm going. I've taken up sewing. I like the various types of fabric and stabbing things with needles.
Un gars m'a volé, mais ce petit con derrière les barreaux. Je suis pas sûre, hein. Et lui?
Well, the best teacher is Fia.
Ça sonne dans tous les sens en tout cas. Attendez, j'attends que tout le monde arrive parce que... Ah putain, c'était sûr. Ok. Attendez, parce qu'il y a ça qui me saoule aussi.
Alright, I'll snitch. Just cut me a deal, okay?
Je vais pas parler, je veux juste passer un marché. Attendez, parce qu'ils sont... C'est vrai qu'ils rentrent. Merde. Chier, bordel. Attendez, il y a tout qui se passe mal en même temps, là. Faites peur aux gamins. Allez, on fait peur aux gosses. Ça me fait rire.
I mean,
scaring children. Obviously my favorite part of the job.
Bien sûr. C'était sûr en fait. Attendez. On va monter sa mobilité. Voilà. Et elle, on va... Oh là, donc elle va... Ça vachement haute, Pichoun, là. On va monter le charisme. Voilà. Toi, t'as déjà un point, toi? On va monter la mobilité. Et lui, comment je peux faire pour l'aider? Je peux rien faire en fait. Ok. Merde!
How
Ah!
long was the last dispatcher here?
2 days. New record.
How the fuck did that happen?
Ah, on n'a pas le temps. Je pensais que ça mettait pause quand j'étais dans le menu. Mais en fait, non.
I got this one. Seriously, don't worry about it. I'll be so fine. I promise.
Apparemment, elle devait y aller, elle.
Can I get ice down here, please?
What does that mean?
She's asking for a tap-in. We got access to security cams of SDN subscribers all over our territory.
Wow, really? Is that legal?
Don't ask questions. Just always make sure to read the fine print.
Ah!
I didn't do this.
Right, I feel like you've said that a lot in your life. What happened?
This is how I found the place. The old guy, who I assume is Granny, was laying here when I walked in. Hey, what's your favorite donut?
Look, can you just focus? What, you got ADHD or something?
Yes, fucker. Is it that obvious?
Yes, fucker, it is.
Well, then answer the question. I don't want to sit here and fixate on it when we're supposed to be doing
La
whatever
crème.
superhero shit.
Those long ones with the cream inside.
Oh, you like a dick donut?
No. They're called...
You love big, long, cream-filled dick donuts. I got it, dude. You like your dick donuts up in your throat, in your ass, both.
Yep, you got me. I love gobbling on hot, sloppy donuts. Love them from my mouth to my butt. How's it going? First day. Thanks for asking me that, so you could get all your funny
Une belle
jokes out.
ambiance.
Now, can we maybe address the body in the room? What are you doing? You gonna poke it with a stick?
Check his pulse.
Granny's alive. Thank Christ. I didn't want to have to lip this guy. So, can I go now?
No, this
A wellness check. It's a B&E. Let's figure out the perp is still there.
Perp, B&E.
Okay, Lieutenant. Fuck, I can't think of a character from a cop show.
Cool. Well, why don't you stay put and work on that while I get another camera up online?
She's my least favorite. The worst of the lot.
That surprises me. You
Non.
guys got similar energy.
Non, je pense
How do I
que...
switch cameras?
Elle est pas si méchante en vrai. Enfin, elle est pas... juste,
We're
non,
getting
ouais, elle
tech
fait des blagues,
advice
quoi.
from an old person.
Bro, I'm not even 40 yet.
Weird hearing bro from an old person.
Lieutenant Dan? Is that a thing?
Putain, elle a fait que ses blagues.
I'm the legless Vietnam vet.
Elle est
from
pas
Forrest
concentrée.
Gump. Sick burn. Am I doing something wrong? Pushing that button just says access denied.
Ah, damn it. Sometimes people add extra security. They don't understand it just makes it harder for us to do our job.
Hey, what's taking so long? Are you sleeping or something, or are you just bad at your job?
Ok, c'est parti.
Why does a donut shop even need extra security?
Hello?
À 2 minutes, hein. Ah! Ok, j'ai pas le mot de passe.
This node represents a code to use later. Remember it.
Au bas, gauche, gauche. Passe gauche, gauche. Ok. Ok, pardon, c'est là qu'il faut aller. Hop. Et voilà, grosse aqueuse ou quoi là?
Hey, shut up for a sec. You're not alone.
On te voit. Coucou.
He's coming your way, armed. You need to disappear.
Why are you whispering, you idiot? You're in my ear.
Oh, il est bien armé, hein.
Damn it, this bitch is a gusher.
Bah, reste visible, non?
Be careful.
I got this, Lieutenant Dan. Never mind.
Got any more great advice?
Disappear! Shit.
Elle est asthmatique. Wow.
Bitch! Invisigal, just hold him off while I find a way to help. I could use the overhead sprinklers to short out his blaster.
Allez.
Come on, come on, come on.
Ok.
Got him.
Ok. Faut aller là-bas. Au bas. Ah, c'est pas... Attends. Ah oui, non. Putain, je suis censé faire comment là? Je comprends pas comment elle est là. Ah, je suis con, putain, je suis con. Au bas... Attends, putain. Au bas, gauche, bas. Merde, je sais plus. Ah! Merde. Vite. C'est... J'ai un temps? Putain, j'ai un temps. Ah! Je suis en train de paniquer! Merde. Ça, c'est pas ça? Merde, je sais plus. Ah, je sais plus. Putain, j'ai bugué de ouf. Ils m'ont perturbé en mettant deux. Ah, je suis con. Ah, ça me saoule en vrai. Ah, j'arrête pas de me tromper. Ah, ils m'ont stressé avec le fait qu'il y a un compte à rebours. Ah, ça me stresse trop. Elle va me détester. Et ça serait compréhensible.
Granny, I don't think you know how to use that thing, so why don't you...
Shut the fuck up!
Oh, I'm one of the good guys.
You? Yeah, right. Don't fuck with me, okay? Nobody fucks Granny! Nobody fucks with Granny!
Invisigal, stay calm.
Great fucking advice, Lieutenant Dan.
Stop calling me Lieutenant Dan, because the joke doesn't work and you sound dumb.
Granny doesn't even know how to shoot that thing. Take out the thief first. He's the only one with his finger on the trigger.
You know what? It's my life on the line.
I'm done listening to you. That thing's gonna blow that man's arm off and there's a whole building with me in it. Fuck off. I'm disarming the device.
No, Invisigal, that's a direct order.
Bah voilà, super.
Oh, fuck. Invisigal, you there? Come in.
Bah super,
Invisigal.
nickel.
Fuck, this guy's heavy. Granny's clearly a fan of his own work. Oh, really wasn't expecting to see that. He's kind of caked up. So where's the perp, Lieutenant?
I think he must have had something else to do, because he left.
I mean, this is why you have insurance, right?
Jesus Christ, you gotta be fucking kidding me.
Ah, j'ai le seum, j'ai fait de la merde, j'ai paniqué de ouf. Ah là, ils m'ont perturbé. Attends, ouais. C'est pas fait pour les. J'ai pas assez de concentration dans mon cerveau. Petit cerveau.
This isn't the army and these ain't soldiers. They're fucking supervillains. Look, why don't you take a breather? We can debrief with Blazer in a bit. Here, there's vending machines in the break room. You look like you could use a snack.
Are you sure you're not actually 80 years old?
Oh là là. J'ai rien gagné du coup? Bah lui hein. Oh c'est Twinkie. Oh.
Hey. Ah, shit. What kind of superhero flinches? I didn't say which superhero. Chill out.
Ma chauve-souris à côté.
If you had people trying to kill you for the last 15 years, you'd be jumpy too.
What makes you think my life has been any different? You think growing up surrounded by a bunch of shitbag villains, I didn't need to watch my back?
Yeah, well, I guess you should do a better job picking your friends.
What the fuck?
You can't just go around. Ow! Why does he keep screaming?
His name's Sonar.
Yeah, I know what sonar means.
What's up?
Why are you asking why he keeps screaming?
She was just explaining your, you know what? Never mind. Good shift.
This guy's weird.
Yeah, he is. Look, I actually just came by to celebrate the mission going well. Didn't mean to interrupt your little snack. What, do you need a pre-chew like a little baby bird bitch?
You seriously think that went well?
No, I think it went great.
You trashed the place. The suspect got away. You got the client hurt. You think when that guy signed up for SD and that it'd result in the back of his ball sack getting scorched? Because they don't mention that in the commercials.
First of all, the place was trashed when I got there. Second, I'm sure Granny would take some crispy nuts over losing his arm. As far as the bad guy, fuck, shit happens.
Fact of the matter is that shit didn't need to happen. We could have had an outcome where the client doesn't get fried and we get the perp if you had just fucking listened to me. You ask for help, then I can... What now? I make the calls, not you.
Here's some advice. You're right at home behind that desk because you're no hero. You were a nerd playing a video game in a suit your daddy built.
Ah ouais, tout le monde sait du coup.
A real hero puts their ass on the line.
Sonar il me
can't
tue.
just press a button and make their problems disappear.
The suit isn't what made me a superhero. It was how I did my fucking job that made me Mecha Man. Based on what I saw today, you wouldn't last a day as Mecha Man. Because there isn't a mech suit in the universe that'll keep you from being a selfish fucking asshole.
Waouh. Oh, mais jamais je l'aurais dit ça.
Feel bad. Good. Fuck you.
Ah là. Eh B. Pendant ce temps-là, Sonar.
You gonna eat those Twinks?
That's not what they're... You know what? Help yourself.
What happened to your nose?
Here we go.
You have a tissue hanging from your nose, Robert. I was trying to ignore it, but that became impossible when it started
Là, est
soaking
sec.
with blood.
I get nosebleeds when it's this dry. The air in the office, it's on the dry side.
Is it on the dry side? I'll have facilities look into it. All right, boys. We're here to assess Robert's first shift, and aside from whatever happened here, I thought it was pretty good.
What?
Told you, Robbie.
I was watching on the monitor. The work you did dispatching. I don't think the Z-Team has ever had a better shift than that.
Ah, putain, et Dieu sait que je me suis trompé, hein. Quand même un feu qui continue de faire rage, hein. Bon, c'est pas grave. La ville est en feu. Tout le monde hurle, les gens meurent, mais c'est pas grave apparemment.
Let's be real. She ain't gonna make it.
She's difficult to work with, sure. But I see a lot of promise in her. Really. Even the other Z-teamers respect her.
Faut pas la mettre. Je pense pas qu'il faut griller la fille invisible parce qu'en vrai, c'est surtout moi qui me suis trompé. Donc j'aurais réussi. Je pense qu'il y aurait pas de problème.
Look, Robert, you should be proud. The bar is very low with this group.
Well, it's not low for me. Look, I like to make a joke and keep things light as much as the next person. But when it comes to work, I'm not fucking around here. If you want the Phoenix program to survive, the bar needs to go up.
And how would we do that?
By treating the Z-Team like what they are, a bunch of villains. And leading a supervillain team takes a different approach than a superhero team. I need to be around them. I need them to see I'm all in, and they need to match that energy.
Some tough love.
The only kind I know. And based on what I've seen, the only version they'll respond to. I'm not saying everyone will make it. They won't. I'm not saying it won't get spicy. It will. But when it does, I also need you to trust me to handle it. I don't want you stepping in. They need to respect me, even if I don't have powers.
Okay. We'll do it your way. Monday, we'll get them in a room and introduce them to their new supervillain leader.
I can't promise it'll work. I can only promise that I'll do my best.
No fucking way it's gonna work. But it'll be way more fun to watch.
Chase, some optimism, please.
God damn it. Yeah, I also promise to do my best.
Hey, kid.
What?
What are you doing?
Yeah, no. I did this. It's weird because I saw this lady, smiling lady, person put a donut on your desk earlier, previously, and it was nicely on a napkin. And she comes back and she just crazy, like the evil mode, and hit, smash the same donut.
What a mess.
We'll clean it.
What? No.
No, yes. See, I'm SDN's newest. He
Hero?
Helpful janitor.
Okay. Cool.
So, it's my pleasure, and it's my job, which you helped me get. So, thank you.
Et c'est quoi son pouvoir en fait à lui?
It's Friday. I'm not gonna ask. You headed out?
Oh, yeah. Great. Thanks, kid.
Welcome to the team, Waterboy.
Yeah, welcome to you. You too.
Oh!
Hey, I want you to know us.
Oh, voir c'est qui crache quoi.
Is not contingent on you fixing the Z-Team. I wouldn't do that to you.
That's good to know.
But don't worry about that. I'm just really glad you're here, Robert. I think we're going to do some great things together.
On va pas demander de manger ensemble, on va pas essayer de pas être un gros lourd.
Actually, there's something I've been meaning to tell you. It's a little awkward to mention, but since the other night,
Blonde Blazer.
Elle est en couple. C'est ça.
Are you ready to go?
Ah voilà. Eh oui.
Who is this? I thought I'd cataloged all of your work companions.
Robert, this is my boyfriend, Phenomenon. This is our new dispatcher I was telling you about. Robert?
The third Robert Robertson, leader of the Phoenixes. Blonde Blazer told me about you.
Really? Did she, say, I don't know, what came up in that talk?
She said you're a capable, honorable man that truly cares for others. Why are you so small?
Hey, come on. You gotta stop asking.
Bah comment ça, pourquoi t'es si petit? Bah parce que je suis petit, je peux rien y faire moi.
I apologize.
Bah comprendre quoi Pourquoi t'as une moustache?
Was his lack of size and strength an issue?
No, he was great. It was great. It was a great first day.
That is phenomenal. We should celebrate.
Oh, il a l'air teuteux, lui.
I have reservations in Tokyo at a restaurant where the owner dreams of sushi. You should join us.
Non.
I'm sure they could accommodate one.
Non, j'ai un truc à faire.
Especially a special occasion.
Non, je dois rentrer voir mon chien.
Actually, I gotta get home.
C'est une bonne raison.
Very needy.
Oh, of course. And to be responsible for another life is a beautiful thing. Even if that life is a dog life.
Oh, comment ça? Tu serais pas mon chat comme ça en fait. Malade lui. Mais c'est quoi cette manière?
He flies a little faster.
Ouais, c'est ça, ouais. C'est un peu ridicule, mais bon.
Third Robert Robertson.
A pleasure was...
Now, could you step back? The power of my launch has been known to stun small
Oh, oh il m'énerve lui, ça y est. Petit être. Petit cerveau, hein. Fin du deuxième épisode.